Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this multiplexer based question. So here we need to write the code for 2 to 1 marks. Here one question is given. Create a 1 bit wide 2 to 1 multiplexer. When cell equal to 0, choose a. When cell equal to 1, choose B. So see, you know the working principle of multiplexer, how it will work. Based on the selection line, that input is coming at the output side, right? So if selection equal to 0, then at output side A will come. If selection is equal to 1, then output side B will come. So here we can use different methods to write this code, but they are asking a solution in the one line. Okay, so how we can write? So here also we can use expression. Like what we can write: cell bar into A plus cell into B, and we can directly assign this by using the data flow modeling. We can directly write the expression and we can assign to the output. That is the one way. And we are using one different method, that is we can use condition method. Okay, so let's solve by using condition method. Assign out equal to what is the condition? Cell, then question mark. If cell equal to 1, then B will come as a output because they mention in this question. Otherwise A will come as a output. Okay, so this is the solution for this multiplexer. This is a one line solution. So let's check it. Okay, so whatever we wrote, that is correct. So in this way we can solve this multiplexer based question. We will solve few more questions in the upcoming videos. Till that, thank you.